Here, it's wrong. Alright, boys. So, we have the GK61 and other stuff. So, let's go with this one. Okay, yep, let's go. The adapters. So, I have more room for my PS4. It is perfect. Okay. What else did I get? I'm kind of confused. Oh yeah, keycaps, mouse pad, and a keyboard. Let's go get the Red Dragon. I got keycaps for it.
What am I doing?
Oh, it's the mouse pad.
Hold on. I can't really keep videotaping and unplugging.
All right, just shut it off.